Investigating Matter, 3rd grade science, Mrs. Brown. What are solids, liquids, and gases? Lesson 2. Vocabulary: atoms and evaporation. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. Evaporation is the process by which a liquid becomes a gas. Atoms. A puzzle has many pieces that fit together to form a picture. If you look closely, you can see each piece. If you look even more closely, you can see the tiny dots of color on each piece. All matter is like the puzzle. The more closely you look, the smaller the pieces you can see. Some pieces of matter are so small that you can see them only by using special tools. Some pieces are so small that you cannot see them at all, but scientists can observe the effects of what these pieces of matter do. These pieces are called atoms. From far away, we see this carved picture of a woman sitting down. But when we look closer, you can see the colors and roughness of the stone. If you use a microscope, you can see some of the tiny pieces that make up the stone. How particles are connected. The particles in matter are arranged differently in each state of matter, but in all the ways they are arranged, the particles move. In a gas, such as this iodine gas, the particles are not connected to each other and are not close to each other. Each particle moves in a straight line until something stops it. Then it bounces. It moves off in another straight line until something else stops it. In a liquid, the particles are more closely arranged than in a solid. This allows the particles to slide past each other. In a solid, it's hard because its particles do not move very much at all. Adding heat or taking away causes matter to change states. This is because adding heat makes the particles in matter move faster. Taking away heat or cooling makes the particles slow down. In the investigation, the warm air in the classroom added enough heat to the ice to change it to liquid water. The heat caused the particles in the ice to move faster. The particles moved faster, the connections between them became looser. In time, the connections got so loose that the particles could slide past each other. At that point, the solid ice became liquid water. With still more heat, the particles broken apart from each other completely. The liquid becomes a gas. The process by which liquid becomes a gas is called evaporation. Hot lava or liquid rock comes from this volcano. When the lava hits water, the heat in the lava causes some of the water to turn to steam. Then the lava cools and changes into solid rock. In summary, atoms are small particles that make up matter. In solid, atoms fit together tightly and do not move very much. In liquids, they slide past each other. The atoms in gases are far apart and not connected. They keep moving until something stops them. Adding or taking away heat can cause matter to change states. Let's review. What are the building blocks of matter? In which state of matter are the particles most tightly connected? Why does gas not have a definite shape? When you boil water, what makes the water turn into a gas? Which set of words names 3 states of matter? A. Solid, gas, water. B. Solid, liquid, gas. C. Hard, soft, smooth. D. Salty, sweet, sour. This concludes our lesson.
Thank you.